Hello everyone. So today we will start the React crash course in 2026. So this video not I will not make that much bigger because this is just introduction video. After this video and next video we will start the 100 days job ready uh, challenge. You all will continue with me from day 1 to day 100. Yeah, this is a front end journey. We don't make to that much long, but if you want to learn basics to advance, master yourself, and make yourself job ready, for that we need to take this 100 days of coding challenge, learning challenge, we can say. So in this video I will just explain how you can learn React, and which resources we will use to learn React. This made by me. I made for all that users who is very beginner in a React. So there I mention all that basics to advanced things where you will learn. So when we will start the day one for learning, where we will follow this doc, because here I mention all that things which are very necessary, important for a beginner. This is a roadmap how we will categorize and how to start learning, how to which steps we need to follow, we will see here. And then after we will see the brief introduction of React, why React is important, and why this is so much popular, what is React, JSX, component, props, hooks, and all that advanced topics. So that's it for today. From after this video, or in next video, we will start the 100 days of React learning, or make yourself job ready challenge. So thank you for watching, and keep like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.